Welcome back to Microsoft Agents Creative Survival Series. Last time we got arrested and it is time for our supper again. But this time at outside. Without villagers. Crap.
Oh. It's getting nighttime already. Perfect. Now the supper is going to start soon.
Okay everyone, get inside the house soon, because the sun is going down.
Perfect. Now I'll go find a place to have a supper.
Great. Now that's the place to have a supper. Now it's time to prepare it.
Okay. Now, to wait. Sit back right now.
Damn it. He left.
Oh, finally. Some good visitors. Hello.
こんにちは。Hello, YAH.
Hey, speak English.
ふわっとおずざっという線路。
We said it. Speak English.
トゥーバンド I am Japanese.
Fine. If you don't speak English, I will beat you up.
Go ahead because I am a horse.
All right, loser. Take this. So what's your hobbies?
My hobby is shut up.
What? You speak Japanese too? That's it. Die!
Screw this. No more suppers.
Well, time to end the video.